DJ Tira is a prominent South African DJ, music producer and entrepreneur. His work has earned him a reputable name in the South African music industry. Today we uncover the journey he has traveled to achieve all his accolades and the lives he has impacted. For now, sit down, grab a snack, and subscribe to this channel to get access to our future videos. DJ Tira's journey is a testament to perseverance, innovation, and the power of following one's passion. Born and raised in Hlabisa, DJ Tira relocated to Durban in 1995 to study human resources at the University of Natal. While studying, he developed an interest in DJing and bought his first vinyl in 1996, and learned how to DJ using vinyls. Highly inspired by DJ Oskido, DJ Fresh, and Boom Shaka, who used to rock the South African sound. From there, his passion for DJing grew, and soon he was playing at university parties, weddings, private parties, and popular nightclubs. DJ Tira was also part of the team that formed M1 Entertainment, the pioneering entertainment company that marked the beginning of exclusive parties aimed at the affluent black market in Durban. After completing his human resources degree, he then pursued postgraduate studies in public relations, but later decided to focus his energies on DJing and events management. With this decision, his parents told him he would not be getting any more financial support. Let's find out how he found his breakthrough. Around 2001, he moved to Johannesburg and released his first record named Real Makoya, which is a compilation album with DJ Kabzela. As an upcoming artist, he could not sustain his life with the gigs he got at that time, so he worked as a product promoter for ShopRite to supplement his income. In 2005, he signed a record deal with Kalawa Jasmine. He formed a group named Zozo and Professor and later formed Durban's Finest together with DJ Socks, which also was under Kalawa Jasmine Records. Tira and Socks together released a series of compilation albums named Durban's Finest. In 2007, he launched his recording studio Afrotainment and signed DJ Sando as the first artist on his record label. Since he was working at his own production, he became a music producer. Later the same year, DJ Tira signed Kwaito group Big News after they relocated from Johannesburg to Durban. In 2008, DJ Tira as a featured artist appeared on 2 tracks on urban radio charts and music shops charts alongside Big News's Ubala Lolo and DJ Clock's Mahamba Yedwa. In 2008, he released his first solo project under his record label named Izese Afro Vol 1. The album is supported by the guest appearance of Bricks, Daddy, Big News, and Juicy of Afro Soul. Izese Afro Vol 1 became a hit album and sold more than 20,000 copies. Big Nuz became South Africa's top hitmakers as they won numerous awards, including the Summer Song of the Year, year after year. Since then, Afrotainment has been the most consistent record label at making good music. Now that you've watched till this far, please click the subscribe button. Now let's look at the lives he has impacted.
Why you decide to go there? Hey, buff. I think any Afro buff. So.
Mduduzi N-Cube's story is a testament of Tira's compassion and power in changing people's lives. DJ Tira has been instrumental in discovering and nurturing a number of talented artists who have gone on to achieve significant success in the South African music industry. Other notable artists and groups he has discovered or supported include Destruction Boys, Nak Music, Q Twins, Dladla Mshunkizi, Tipsy, and a lot of other big names in the South African music industry. DJ Tira's influence extends beyond just discovering talent. His role as a mentor and promoter has been crucial in shaping the careers of these artists and many others. His ability to identify and nurture promising talent has had a lasting impact on the South African music landscape. He was able to combine Maskandi and Gaam to produce a number of hits. Maskandi music has been able to grow across the country with Tira's influence. Beyond his musical achievements, DJ Tira has made significant strides as an entrepreneur. Now, let us look into his entrepreneurial ventures. Fact Durban Rocks has established itself as the hottest, leading biannual event in the country, with the best in Mzansi hip-hop, house, Kwaito, Calm, and Amapiano tearing up the stage year after year. Fact Durban Rocks was founded by DJ Tira, and is often an event that is marked on the calendar by many people as it promises to entertain. The next one is Bearing Cider. The music producer took to social media to share that he is opening his own alcohol drink. Following the steps of Casper Nyovest and Prince KB, who have their own brands, DJ Tira launched Bearing Cider, which has largely become the people's favorite drink. It is now available at various liquor shops across the country. Tira has a number of properties he owns in Durban and Johannesburg. He continues to grow his portfolio as a businessman. Given his dominance in music, he is definitely going to thrive. DJ Tira's success story is a source of inspiration for those who aspire to make a mark in the entertainment industry, proving that with passion, hard work, and a willingness to innovate, one can overcome challenges and achieve greatness. He is a family man who is grateful to his wife, Gugu Kathi, for being supportive throughout the challenges he has been facing all these years. They have managed to build an empire while raising kids together. Ever wonder how they hooked up? Tira met Gugu while he was still a house DJ back in the early 2000s. Gugu was a dancer for Mafikizolo music group at that time, and that's where she caught DJ Tira's eyes. From that day, they fought to build the Kathi empire. In summary, DJ Tira's journey is characterized by his relentless drive, creativity, and dedication to his craft. From his roots in Hlabisa to becoming a celebrated figure in the global music scene, his story serves as a powerful reminder of the transformative power of music and entrepreneurship. As a driven person he is, Tira is still dedicated to taking South African rhythms to the other parts of the world. It will be fascinating to see how he continues to grow all he has in the future. Thank you for coming this far in this video. Please click the subscribe button and watch this playlist I've made for you with my personalized top 10 songs composed by DJ Tira.
So